Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word articulation. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is articulation. Let's break it down. First, we have R, which sounds like R in art. Next is tik, which rhymes with pick and carries the main stress. Then comes y, a quick, unstressed sound like the ya in yes. After that, lay, which sounds like the word lay as in lay down. Finally, shun, which sounds like shun in caution. Now let's put it all together. Articulation. Try repeating after me. Articulation. Now a little faster. Articulation. And at full speed. Articulation. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Articulation refers to the clear and precise pronunciation of words, as well as the way different parts of something are connected or expressed. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce articulation and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.